Good morning. This morning I'm going to clean the filters of my solar inverter. You can see here on the left hand side and the bottom, and the right hand side is filters. This fans running almost continuously if it's charging or whatever. So we need to fill it, clean it. You just push it, clean it. You can see here it is it's like dirty, all the dust. So just to keep the fans proper clean, you can just blow them out. You just push them out. Here at the bottom is another one. You can shift it like sideways. This is a lux converter. This one is quite dirty. So there's another one on the bottom here. So then we're gonna go and clean these filters with the compressed air. There's a few of them, as I said. I think it's necessary just to keep the systems clean. Okay, the compressed air, yeah? Then you just go and you blow them out. So this is the monthly maintenance of your solar system. If they go out, you can just push them back, and then they're good to go for another month. That's it. Okay, now we're just gonna put them back. You just get the right angle here. Clip that one in. Then the back is another one. You'll see there's this little slot. This one comes in the bottom here. This one is in the side again. And this long one comes in the bottom here. Sideways from the left to the right. Okay, I think with that you can keep the system nice and clean. Okay, till next time, cheers.